Hi to everyone, my name is Artem. I am from Arto web agency based in Kiev, Ukraine, and I'd like to show you our tools which can help you to clean up external style sheets and scripts from pieces of unused code. So everything consists of two parts. The first part is Chrome extension. This extension uses Chrome DevTools protocol to instrument web pages and record coverage data. This coverage data looks like collections of objects containing information of what symbols ranges in your CSS or JS files are used and what are not. The second part of the tool is so-called Purifier, which is server-based. When you finish a record, you can send data about unused code of web page from extension to Purifier, and the Purifier will generate new clean files that you will be able to download. Within JS files, Purifier currently deals only with functions. If the function is unused, the Purifier will comment it, and you will see it in downloaded file as commented. There is another situation with CSS files. Within CSS files, the strings of unused code are not commented, but removed. So, how to use all of this? First of all, you need to install Coverage Recorder from Chrome Web Store. After that, navigate to the page you want to instrument. In our case, I will deal with the Purifier itself, this page. Open Chrome DevTools and navigate to the Coverage Recorder, which can be found on the top. Press Start Recording button. After that, interact with the page. You need to open and reveal hidden pop-ups, popovers, blocks of messages and other functionality on the page. Why you'd better do that? You need to know the core principle here. Coverage Recorder will not see JS or CSS code related to some hidden pop-up if this pop-up is not forced to be shown by user interaction. That means that if you do not interact with the page totally, you have some risk to obtain not precise data and to remove that part of the code that is really necessary for the particular page. The same story is about media queries. You need to evoke them to make them visible for Recorder. However, in most of cases, it's enough only to change the dimensions of the browser window. It's enough for the Coverage Recorder to grab the information about media queries. In order to automate at least minimal part of your interaction scenario, we build some functionality that allows you to force hover, focus within active and visited states on all the elements by one click. You can enable this feature, then Recorder will record the used CSS rules and selectors, and after that you can turn it off. When you finish your interaction, click Stop Recording. After that you can see two options. The first one is to send recorded data directly to Purifier, and the second option is to download raw recorded data. In the first case, the processing of coverage data starts immediately when data are delivered to Purifier. And in the second case, you can save coverage data locally on your computer and then upload to Purifier manually whenever you want to start processing. Let's do this. We click Send Data, and we can see that Purifier generated files to download. The another option is to upload previously downloaded data about the coverage. We click Upload Data, find our previously downloaded coverage file, and everything repeats. So in both of cases, after the processing of coverage data by Purifier, it will generate new clean files, pack them into zip which you can download. Here you can see two CSS files which were cleaned up by the Purifier. But before using them, it is strongly recommended to validate downloaded files using some online JS or CSS syntax validator to make sure that there are no syntax violations. Thank you for your attention to this video and hope you find these tools useful.